Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. I found another turd, a Gilera, beautiful red Gilera Runner SP. It's not a double disc version, it's a single disc, and it's, as most of the scooters I buy in a very beautiful, untouched condition. My son loves it already. As you can see, it's stood in a garage or a barn or whatever it was for, well, 10 years. It's dirty, it's dusty. Beautiful, look at this. The previous owner told me he wanted to bring her back to life, and what he did was actually putting on a new, it's not even a Delorto, it's a 17.5 carb, but I don't think it's a Delorto. It looks new. Is it a Delorto? No, it's China. It looks China. And what he did was just this, nothing else. As you can see, my son tries to do something. I don't know what he's trying to do. Dominic, thanks. Yeah, besides that, the tires look good, but I think they're from the 18th century or something. The shocks don't look very nice. I don't know if I can save them. We will see. Besides that, what is to say, the mileage? Mileage. 18,000 kilometers. Well, it's not much, but it's not much, but it's not much. Sorry. The previous owner tried to put some garden hose on it here for the fuel. This is the fuel back line, and it's a garden hose which isn't meant to be here. Besides that, well, everything is okay. Some minor scratches over here and on these parts. But all in all, it looks good. And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to change this part. I have one from the D-Tech with no Kickstarter on it, so I think I can. I'm not sure if if it can be done, just to replace the Kickstarter mechanism from this one to the D-Tech cover. Wheel is okay, spins nicely. The exhaust pipe is not mounted. He has loosened all the screws and stuff, and old fuel inside. Before I bought it, I checked the compression, and it feels nice. You can hear the plop. So that's good. That's a good sign. I think the radiator is okay. I'm not sure. I mean, there's coolant inside here, so let's be positive. Yeah. The question is to keep this Gilera Runner original, put it back. Oh, wait a second, I forgot to tell something. It's a Dark Dream. Look at this. I didn't even see that. Oh no, it's Dark Dream again. Look at this. Silly me. Dark Dream, look at this. Okay. It's not really dark, it's red, but never mind. Yeah, the question is if we want to keep it original or not. What do you say, Dominic? Original?
Yes.
Original. So if we want to keep it original, we're gonna have to remove this 17.5 millimeters carburetor, put back the original one. Original was 12 millimeters. And well, we will see. Yes, Dominic? What? It's broken. Yeah, the tail light, the reflector, is broken. Nice. Yes. A lot of work to do on this scooter, but I think it's worth it, because the Dark Dream is a very, very rare model, and yeah. Good. So this is going to be the winter project. I mean, we have to do everything. We have to take down, change the fuel lines, change all the filters, change just everything. Spark plug and whatever, coolant. Okay, this is all from me for today. I'm going to keep you updated. If you have any questions, ask my son or me. Have a nice Sunday. We have a beautiful day today here in Germany. Sun is shining. It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to ride the bike with my son and enjoy the rest of the day. I wish you a pleasant day. Have fun. Bye bye.